Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at pound yen. Right, so what I have here is pound yen on the daily. Now I just want to show you guys that pound yen is on an uptrend. And how do we know that? Right, price makes low, a higher low, and another higher low, and it makes a higher high, and another higher high. And if you look at this entire range, right, price has already broken out of it to the upside. Okay, so very quickly, let's go down to the 4 hours. Now, on the 4 hours, what we can see, okay, we can see a movement, right, from this low, okay, and price is pushing higher. Okay, so we can actually use Fibonacci retracement of this entire move, all right, and open all Fibonacci levels, but I've already preset it. So over here, I have the 23.6 that I'm looking at. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the 23.6. Alright, with possible retracement targets at -27 and -61.8. Now if you look to the left, 23.6 actually falls in line, okay, with where price is currently testing, and also the graphical overlap over here back on 24th December, just before Christmas. Okay, so very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour. Now at the same time, we see that price has been making a steady climb, right? Price has been making a steady climb higher. Now, if we were to connect all the lows with a trend line, okay, we do get a pretty nice trend line, something like that. Just touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body. Okay, so we have a very nice trend line like that. All right, I'm going to back this 23.6 down to this graphical level as well over here. All right, so this can very well be our buy entry. Okay, this can very well be our buy entry. Okay, so we can wait for price to come back down to this buy entry. Now we also see that price made a low over here, we're pushing up to this high and then coming back down. Right, so what we can do is to use the completed leg and do a retracement from low to high, open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that our daily 23.6 is in line with the 50%. Okay, so our daily -27.20 is also in line with the -61.8. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the 50%. Okay, I'm going to leave the 61.8 there because that is a pretty key level, and I'm going to leave the -27 and -61.8. So of course we have a daily target over here. Alright, this can be our daily target. Okay, this can be our TP, right? And then of course, on an intraday basis, we can have a few other TPs. This can be a partial take profit or the recent swing high as another partial take profit. Right, so we're playing a push up, okay, as long as we are above this level, okay, price could very well come back to test this ascending trend line support and also this Fibonacci confluence area. Now, last but not least, where would I put my stop loss? Okay, my stop loss, I'll put it below the 61.8. Okay, I'm not going to put it right at 61.8. I'm going to give my trade a bit of room to breathe. I'm going to back it up lower a bit. All right, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use this as a stop loss. All right, and also just sort of a final nail in the coffin. All right, you can use our moving average exponential. And we can see that price is holding very nicely above this moving average. This is the 34. Okay, maybe let's check the 21. Okay, so price is right at the 21 moving average. The ascending trend line support is on the 21 period moving average as well. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day, right? Very nice risk reward, very nice setup for pound yen. I wish you guys a happy new year, and I hope to see you guys again. Thank you.